we're asked for the quantity of some given amount of gas at STP. And the useful factoid here is that 1 mole of any gas at STP has the same volume. And that volume is 22.414 liters. This is a useful factoid that's going to save us time on some exams. So we can take our amount of gas, 0.420 moles, multiply it by 22.414 liters per mole of gas at STP. And we get our volume of this quantity of gas, 9.41388 liters. Looking at sig figs, we see that we can only justify 3 sig figs because of this number here. Here we have 5, and therefore our final answer can be expressed as 9.41 liters. This would be the same for any gas, the same quantity of gas at STP. Alternatively, say we forgot this factoid, we can calculate this according to the ideal gas law. So we'll solve the ideal gas law for volume. The volume is going to be equal to nRT divided by P, and we plug in our conditions. We have 0.420 moles of our gas. Our pressure at STP is 1 atmosphere exactly. We'll multiply by R. Units are liter atmospheres per mole K. Our temperature at STP is 273.15 Kelvin, and that's everything. So if we let's check our units first. Our units should work. The only one that survives is liters, which is what we want. So we can go ahead and do our calculation, and we'd find we get the same value as we do above, 9.41388, which is going to be rounded to 9.41 liters in terms of the appropriate number of sig figs. And there we go.